welcome once more to Fantasy Car World. Today we are looking at the all-new BMW X6M from Larte Design. Ensure to watch the whole video, like it, and share with your friends too. If you are new here, welcome. We look at cars from all perspectives. We love cars. Give us a subscription, thank you. Design, the BMW X6M, is a head-turning addition to the high-end luxury vehicle market. This ultra-luxurious SUV promises an impressive combination of power, performance, and style. Larte Design, the Russian-born engineering design house, is renowned for its bespoke customizations of the BMW X6M. The exterior of the X6M features a sleek body kit, a high-performance hood, and a powerful rear diffuser. The exterior also has a striking black matte paint job, providing a subtle contrast to the bright chrome accents. The interior of the BMW X6M has been designed to provide a luxurious, comfortable experience. The dashboard features an advanced infotainment system, complete with a large, high-resolution display and intuitive controls. The seats have been upholstered using fine leather, ensuring maximum comfort and luxury. The interior also includes a heated steering wheel, sunroof, and powered seats, further enhancing the experience. Under the hood, the BMW X6M is equipped with a 4.4-liter TwinPower Turbo engine that generates an impressive 600 horsepower. The engine is mated to an 8-speed M Sport transmission, and it is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems that provide maximum safety and control. The BMW X6M is equipped with advanced suspension and handling systems, which are designed to provide maximum control and maneuverability. The vehicle also includes a variety of driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Overall, the BMW X6M from Larte Design is an impressive combination of power, performance, and luxury. It promises an exciting, comfortable experience, and its advanced features ensure maximum safety and control. With its impressive power and superior handling, the BMW X6M is sure to be a hit with luxury car enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. Let us meet on the next video, guys. Hope the BMW was fun. Comment down below the one you want next, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.